Alright, today we're going to go over how to properly set up a trick ski for doing toe tricks. So, what you obviously need a ski, a binding, you're going to need a screwdriver, and they're usually number 12 machine screws, either a quarter or a quarter-inch long. You're also going to need a tape measure, a pencil, and a square. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the ski, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to measure from the very tip to the very tail of it. So this ski is 41 inches long. So we're going to measure to make a mark halfway. So on a 41 inch ski, it's going to be 20.5 inches. So we're going to make a little pencil mark there. Then we're going to take our square and mark it right along the edge in the same spot. Right? This way we know the center line of the ski, and that's what we're going to use to mount the binding. So once we've marked it on the side now, we're going to flip it over. This is where you got to have a little bit of eyeball and skill. So we're going to take that mark and we're going to mark it right on the very edge. So now I have a mark on the top of the ski. Once I've got the mark here on the top of the ski, I'm going to again use my square to mark it more in the center, and I can draw a line all the way across. Right? Now that I've got this line here, that's the center line of the ski. And that's where I want my ankle to sit. The next thing we're going to do, we're done with the pencil and we're done with the square. We're going to take our binding. Right, on these bindings, it's really easy to tell where the ankle bone sits. Some others, you got to guess a little bit. So right here is the ankle bone. That's what we want to line up with the center line of the ski. So we're going to put it down on the ski, line it up, and lots of these new trick skis are very easy because they come with holes already drilled and inserts so that these machine screws fit easily. So I'm going to line it up. I'm going to line the ankle, that point right there, right up with that line. It's going all the way across on both sides. And then I'm going to install about 6 screws. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 in the middle. Right, once you've got all the screws started, then you want to go ahead and make sure that they're all nice, snug, and tight so that your binding's not going to fall off your ski. And that's pretty much it. So just a quick review. Right, the highlights, you want to measure the center from the bottom of the ski and then make the mark on the top, and we're lining the ankle bone up with the center of the ski. Thank you. Hope this helps.